In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails for my YouTube channel right now, and how you can too. Check this out.
Today, I am in Canva. Normally, I'm making content in here where I'm showing you how to make videos different ways, but for today, I'm going to discuss something else, and something that you need to have, especially if you are a YouTuber or content creator, and that is attention-grabbing thumbnails. As you can see here, I've got some different ones pulled up that I've made recently for my different videos. For each video, I typically make at least 2 so I can test, and sometimes maybe even more. But I wanted to discuss these with you today because they are a very important part of the whole process here on YouTube. And you can also use these thumbnails for other projects, for your social media projects, products, or different things you might be working on. If you run a YouTube channel especially, you know what I'm talking about. So today, I'm going to show you one way real quick to make amazing thumbnails that has secretly been getting better and better for the past few months, and it's one of the main places now that I make my video thumbnails at. I'm going to go to a tool called VidIQ. This is it right here, and here are some of the ones that I've made using this software. You can find this tool under the Optimize heading. So assuming you have VidIQ, when you're in your system, you'll see you do research and lots of other things, but I'm focusing on thumbnails only today. Inside the Optimize tab is where you can find all your individual videos inside your YouTube account, because it should be hooked up to your VidIQ account to make all this work. Let me share a few examples. Once you click on a video here, it'll show you different things, like other suggestions for titles and also show your thumbnails. This is the original, and these are ones that I actually made here using the VidIQ thumbnail tool. It'll give you ideas and suggestions of things you might want to try, and you can also upload your own images in here in the system. This way you can include your face or avatar inside your YouTube thumbnails if you want to. You can also put your prompt right down here and even attach a video thumbnail or a picture or something here. It also shows you how many credits it costs to make it and your balance. When they first started offering the thumbnail tool, it really wasn't that good, but over the past month or so, it's really gotten better. You can see the SEO for your video and your keywords, etc. You can also preview your thumbnail against other thumbnails to see how it looks on YouTube as a preview. So that's basically how the system works. It's not super hard, but it is super powerful. And I do encourage you, if you haven't tried it, come to VidIQ. I'll put a link in the description below and try it out for yourself. I've tried several other AI tools for thumbnails, and there's been a lot of problems with them. Some are really expensive, they're quirky, they don't always work well, and you can waste a lot of credits trying to redo the bad ones. But I found this tool works the best for me. At least that's just been my experience for the past 2 months. Alright, lastly, I'm going to quickly show you how to use this tool. I'm inside the Optimize tab. Here are a few of the thumbnails that I've worked on. You must have your VidIQ account hooked up to your YouTube account. So I'm going to work on making a new video thumbnail for this one. So I'll click on it, and you can see it'll show you suggestions, and it kind of gives a rating too. Here's the current title there. I'll go straight to thumbnail and ignore this other stuff because I've already showed you that. Here are 2 that I already have. I made this one first, which was pretty good with my avatar in here. Here's the second one I made using this tool, but I think we can do better. If you want to, you can put a prompt down here. We can click on this to just have it create something quickly for us. Here you can add a likeness. I think I'll try this one first. So I'll put this, and now it's actually analyzing the video. So it'll go straight to the particular video that we're working on here, and it'll figure out what it's all about based on whatever's in your description, etc. And that's how it makes the thumbnail. Okay, so that was pretty fast. Here's the one it made. Let's go look at it. So yeah, very good. We could easily go with that one. If we wanted it, just download it here. You could always click on this, go to edit, and tell it what we wanted to change here. Like maybe we didn't want the rings, or maybe we wanted another expression. Overall, I really like this. Her expression isn't the best, but it's not bad. But the writing is really good and its color is excellent. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But if there's something you really don't like, you can always describe it here. There are also tools over here. You can do a face swap, you can add text, you can work with the image. There are also stickers that you can add. So all that's already included. Yeah, so that's the one I just made and downloaded. So that's how it works, and it's just a really good system. So there you go. Now you know how to use it too. If you haven't got a VidIQ account already and you have a YouTube channel, I really encourage you to try it out. See what you think. And especially with this new YouTube thumbnail tool, it's definitely worth the price of admission alone. So have fun playing with this tool and designing new thumbnails, and I'll see you in the next video.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.